Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can build a WordPress website from scratch. So in this video we will be creating a website like this one. So as you can see, here are our blog posts which you can make, and you can simply change anything you want. You can make it as you want, or you can completely use this as it is. And let's go start making this website. First of all, you need to visit wordpress.com and click here, start your website, and here you have to log in to get started. And you can log in by email address, or you can simply log in with Google. As you can see, after logging in, it shows you don't have any WordPress files yet. So would you like to start from? So click here, create site, and here you can name your site. So I'm gonna name it to how to Wi-Fi, and don't worry, you can change it later. And here is a domain what you want for your website. So you can choose how to wi-fi.com, .help, .blog, but you have to pay to get these domains. But we are not paying any money, we are creating a free website, so you can get this for free at the end .wordpress.com. So click on continue. Here you can choose the design for your website. So there are a number of designs which you can choose, or if you don't want any of these designs, you can choose more or change them later if you want. So let's suppose we want to create a website like maybe this one. No, let's choose this one. And here you can see this is how it's gonna look like, and you can change the fonts as well if you want to. Let's suppose we want this font for our website, and you can see the preview of tablet, that how it's gonna look like on tablet. And also you can check the mobile version by right here. So it's looking pretty good. So let's click on continue, and here you can add some features to your website. You can add custom domains, and again you need to pay for it. And if you choose any one of these options for your website, then you need to pay. So if you don't want to pay any money, so you can just click here, skip for now. And here is a plan. You can select a plan. You can select premium or monthly or annually, or you can scroll down and select here free, and here you can select this one. So here is our website loaded, and we can start editing it as we want. So you can simply click here, skip, and here you can simply change anything you want. Let's suppose we want to change this text right here. You can select and rename welcome to my site, and you can simply change the text, or you can make it bold as well by clicking here. As you can see, it's bold. But and if you want to change this image right here, you can simply click here and click on replace, and you can select from one of these options. I'm going with media library, and here are some options which you can choose for your website. So I'm going to choose this one, click insert, and as you can see, it's changed. So if you want to change any of these images again, you can simply change it, or if you want to delete some element from the blog, you can simply do it. Let's suppose we want to add a new section. You can click here on plus button, and you can see you can add one of these. Let's suppose we want to add a list, and here you can see it's added. Or and again, let's suppose list is test, test2, and so on. So if you want to delete this element, you can simply click here and click remove block, and it will be gone. So let's add a gallery. Maybe you can select images or upload your own images from here. I'm going to choose a number of images which gonna show in the gallery. So as you can see, it's right here. So after making the changes, after setting the description you want, after making all the changes, you can simply click here, update, and it will be updated. You can view page as well if you want. So as you can see, how to Wi-Fi, our website name, and all the changes are right here. Now if you want to edit your website, you can simply click here on edit or customize. So I'm going with customize. So here we can change our website template. We can add a website logo in here. Click to site identity, and here you can create a logo or upload a logo. So I'm going to upload a logo. So as you can see, I have uploaded a website logo. Here you can add alt text, you can change the title, you can add caption, add description as well. And after putting all the details, you have to simply click select, and here you can crop the size. So I'm putting the full size, click crop image, or you can skip cropping. And as you can see, our logo is right here, and you can add a tagline, useful videos, so it will be shown right here. And if you want to simply uncheck this one, and it will be gone. And you can add a site icon which will be shown right to your website name in the website tab. So you can simply do this, click to save changes and go back, and here you can change colors of your website. You can simply click here, choose a secondary color or set the default one. It's up to you. As you can see, you can pick here. I'm going with the default, and go to menus, go to primary. I'm going to scroll up, and here you can see here are our two pages, and you can add a new page by here, add items, and you can simply add a new page by here. So let's suppose we want to add this one, like post page, categories page, a tags page, or maybe a new page. Let's say we want to create a about page and create a contact us page. And as you can see, it's added. You can see right here, you can simply click to save changes, and here you can check these one also, social media links. So it will be shown something right here. You can edit these one also if you want. As you can see, it's automatically add a new. So keep this unchecked. I'm going to uncheck this one also, and it's gone. So, or maybe keep them checked and go to back, and here you can add some videos to your website, and you can set the home page, and here you have to set this one home page as home, and for post page you have to select blog. Now if you post a new post, then it gonna show up in the blog page. I'm going to click save changes and go back, and you can maybe select the editors as well. And if you want to, now if you want to add a new post to your website, you can simply do this by going to WP admin panel. Let's go there, and we are at our WordPress admin panel. Now go to post and add new. Click here, and here are our posts that are already on the website. You can add a new post. Here you can add a title for your post. So let's suppose how sorry how to Wi-Fi post like the video. So after putting all the details, making all the post, blog post, or you can simply type anything, any content you want. And you can, if you want to add a blog image, you can simply click here and set here, and you can choose from these as well, or you can add your own. Let's add this one, and it's added. You can set and publish, and here you can see your website post. As you can see, how to Wi-Fi post, my name, address, sorry, date, and everything. And here you can edit the post as well and like the video. And here how you can, that's how you can create a post for your website. So it is that easy. So let's go to home section. So as you can see right here, from the blog, here are our posts that we have made, and here are the again more posts as well. And that's how you can make changes to your website. So I hope you have learned something, and I have to show you something, that you have some restriction over the free plan. And if you go to upgrades, you can simply upgrade anytime you want, and you can make your website premium as personal package, and then you can add some plugins to your website, or you can choose multiple themes. You can unlock everything you want. So after making all the changes, click here. It's not published yet, so click here, and here you can view site. And after making all the changes, you can simply click on launch site, and here it will again ask for a domain name, that you want to go with the free one or you want to choose this domain. But we are going to skip purchase, and here we don't need to select any plan. But if you need one, you can simply select any one of these, and I will personally recommend you to choose the personal plan. So I'm going with this one, start with the free website. And here it is, our website is now live. Anyone have our website address can visit our website. And that's all for now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.